niggas catching clips like movies. Old bitch tryna pop off, little bitch, you can't fool me. Red reds look like hot sauce, baby, you should wanna come to me. Main bitch in my iPhone, cause these little thoughts in the nudies. Got them teens getting boxed up like a motherfucking pair of Subies. Give me head, bitch, duck, duck, she got purple hair like Uzi. Smuggle shit, tryna double shit, put the boot bags in the coochie. Suck it, fuck, I ain't fall in love, baby, don't start no rumors.
Like me so, bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow, tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well, I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code, you can't break my code. You can't break my code, you can't break my code, yeah. You can't break my code, you can't break my code. You can't break my code, you can't break my code, yeah.
T.E.O. tryna re-up on everything cause we need it. Flexing with my best friend cause her ex-man got deleted. Other half, you're my better half. I got hella rap on the sneakers, hella tracks, I got hella raps. I might fuck around and go leak them. Living better, she can get whatever, baby, put it all on a visa. On the go when I'm getting dough, nigga, get a slice of the pizza. You ain't shit, you ain't been shit, nigga, stop tryna get a feature. Same niggas on that hate shit, they the same niggas still sleeping.
Like me so, bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow, tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well, I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code, you can't break my code. You can't break my code, you can't break my code, yeah. You can't break my code, you can't break my code. You can't break my code, you can't break my code, yeah.
Flip a fucking cross, I don't need a messiah. Fuck the ground, the thorns, I gotta climb the barbed wire. Burn the fucking church, light a blunt with the fire. Fumes got my head spinning like a fucking tire. Me and my whole clique up pariahs. Hitting C notes like a choir. Hitting C notes like Mariah. Your bitch wanna give me your saliva. Add the zig more bitches to the dick, now that's a hydra. Prior to the Odyssey, I fucked your mom vagina. She was soft and wet like papaya. Super soft for higher, hoes in my designer. Haters know me like a fucking sniper. Me is slick and ripping blades, waiting to retire.
It's that corpse creeping out the graveyard, snort an 8-ball, bullets fall like a raindrop on a stable. 5150 sidewalk killer, Northside gorilla, grade 5, not militia. I'm a pawn, get the picture, shooting jump through my tissue, walking summer with chinchilla, sipping lean with no filler. Triple the 6, fuck a bitch, I get that itch, I gotta scratch you. Is a bitch you never scrapped, I got them demons on my back. They telling me it's time to fucking kill tonight. Riding with the light stem and the scope on sight. What a thrill when that trigger finger pull. Out for hell, fuck the law, pussy boy, fuck you.
Creeping out the jungle, it's a silverback gorilla, man. Beating on my chest, I pull up, then I blow your fucking brains. Throw your ligaments inside a pit, and then I watch them burn. Dance around the flames, I'm spitting out these sacrificial words. Roll me up a blunt with the pace that I read about the Bible. I've been feeling homicidal, gripping on my fucking rifle. Bitch, you thinking that you safe, but I find out where the fuck you stay. Pull up to your neighborhood and let the fucking gauge spray. Bomb sauce, and I do the soft, and I lay inside my coffin rotten.
Tripping on bait from the legs, say something. Never tell a pack